Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Vanguard drone to your phone. First, make sure both your drone and phone are fully charged. This prevents unexpected disconnections. Next, download the official Vanguard drone application from your phone's app store. You can usually find a QR code in your drone's manual for easy access. Finally, confirm that your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on and ready to go. Now, let's establish the Wi-Fi connection. Power on your Vanguard drone, it will immediately start broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network. On your phone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new network appear, often named after your drone model or a unique ID. Select this network to connect. If prompted, enter the password, which is typically found in your drone's user manual. With your phone successfully connected to the drone's Wi-Fi, open the Vanguard drone application. Inside the app, look for a prominent button, usually labeled Start or Connect Drone, and tap it. After a few moments, you should see a live video feed from your drone's camera appear on your phone screen. This confirms a successful connection, and you can now access flight controls and camera functions. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your drone and your phone completely. Also, ensure you are within the drone's operational range, usually about 40 meters, and away from strong interference. Finally, always check for and install any available firmware updates for your drone and the app, as these often include important bug fixes and performance improvements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.